Hello.
I guess now I'm more audible. So we'll be starting in a few minutes, and you all can stay in the chat, talk in the chat, converse with each other, connect with each other, and we are really looking forward to interact with each and every one of you. So all the very best, and we'll start soon. Thank you. Hi everyone. It was great to see you all here, and I'm really happy that you all have gathered for this orientation session of GDSC ZHCET. And since we have it for so long, I don't want to make you wait again. And it's already 7 p.m. sharp, so we'll start right away. And I'm going to share my screen for the same. I'll be looking towards right mostly because I have another screen, so please don't. That. I hope you're able to see my screen. Can someone confirm in the chat box? Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you. So, good evening, everyone. And this orientation session is yet another orientation session of GDSC ZHCET. So, previously we had this for the current second year batch of ZHCET. And this time it is for freshmen and, of course, for everyone who want to join us. So let's move ahead and see what we have today. Oh, it seems like we have a warm up time. So I would like all of you to go to menti.com, maybe in your browser or maybe in your mobile, anything would work. Just go to menti.com, enter this code, done, so that I know that you all are ready. This is gonna be kind of a warm up for you all, and I'm sure you all gonna enjoy it. So I'm still looking towards the chat. On this menti.com. Okay, it seems like people have already started joining. This is cool. I'm really liking it. Okay, well, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, seven students so far. Come on, join in. I'm still waiting. Well, the chat is open for all of you, and you can already see two types of tabs: general and Q&A. You can always put question in Q&A, and if you want to just chit chat and just talk with other participants, you have this general chat, or you want something between, general chat open for all. Most of the students have joined, but I'll still wait for 2 more minutes. So we'll see 6 right now. Okay, too many dance. Okay. I guess I hope most of you have joined. Is there someone else left? I can see some of you are left. Please that we can start. Okay. So here we are. I can see people have already started saying that. So what words come in your mind when you think about Google DSC? And we can see different words: vast community, club for developers, programming, development, innovation, batch, exciting, fascinating, amazing. Wow, this is so much. I'm just loving it. I really want to hear more about it. Come on, you have this right now. Well, this is really great. I really like the passion you all have. So I guess right now everyone has an idea that which mindset you have come today, and I really believe that we will help you keep this mindset and go ahead with this session. So here comes the very next thing, and here you go. How would you rate yourself as a developer? A completely anonymous poll. You just have to choose between these four. Either you tell yourself as a jack of all trades and master of all, or you tell yourself as jack of all trades, master of some, or you tell yourself as a jack of all trades, master of none, or maybe you just have started, so that's completely fine. So come on, put your answers over there. See. So one, two, three, four. It seems like we have jack of all trades and master of some at the intersection of interest and experience. Okay, that's interesting. I really like the way it is changing. Okay, let's see. Again, jack of all trades, master of some. Okay, most of you have started as well. Well, that is expected. This is cool. I can already see it changing. So 15 have reported so far, 16. Okay. Well, so we can concur that, yeah, most of you have just started, and most of you who have interest, but a little less, like kind of more experienced, are jack of all trades, master of some. Then jack of all trades, master of none means you have less interest, but you have limited experience, so you will grow again. And with limited experience and more interest, you are going to boom up. So jack of all trades, master of all. Congratulations to you all. And here we go to our very next. So, do you want to be a part of team and be the game changer? So tell me that how many of you want to be a part of the team and be the game changer who brings the development and this culture of community to the college and all other places that you visit? Oh wow. I really like the way you all are giving this hearts and likes. Well, really thankful to all of you. This is cool. This is absolutely amazing. Wow, now I can say that you all had a great warm up and you can now come out of menti.com and come again into the presentation. And we will now move forward since we already had a warm up time. Yeah, so let's see what we have ahead. Okay. Why are Google Developer Student? What are Google Developer Student Clubs? I first want to know whether you can hear this audio or not. So just write yes in the chat box. So here I'm going to play that. Are you able to hear it? I just want to understand. Okay, cool. That's not a problem. So, well, no worries.
Google Developer Student Clubs train hundreds of thousands of university student developers globally while
Okay.
having fun getting to know other students at their school. Google selects students with strong leadership skills from across the globe once a year to start a club on their campus. These leads believe knowledge is power and that technology can do extraordinary things for the world. They take on the responsibility to help students learn and empower each other to solve real problems around them. Students can participate in the annual Solution Challenge by Google developers to solve for one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Join us in building a global community for students in technology.
Well, so that was a little introduction Google Developer Student Club is. And since I know that you all have an idea of what this club is all about, and we have already seen in the polls itself, I think that there's not much talking about it for sure. So, moving ahead, let's see what we have today in our agenda. So, first of all, I'll be going through the opening keynote by our faculty advisor. So we have our faculty advisor as Mr. Zafaryab Haider sir, and he will be giving an opening keynote. Then we will move on to the team introduction. So I think that you can wait a little more for that. And then we can move on to Google Developer Student Clubs, all about the club and what you can get from here. Next, we will tell you about the exclusive campaigns and timeline of those campaigns. Then there is some icebreaker that we have planned for you, and I'm damn sure you all going to enjoy it today. Next, we have how to join GDSC ZHCET. How can you be a part of our club and be the game changer? And last but not the least, an AMA with the whole team. You can ask us anything that you have on top of your mind. So let's get started. So I would first like to invite our faculty advisor, but I can see he is not in the meet today, and maybe he will be joining us sometime later. He's busy somewhere. So we'll be skipping this and moving ahead as of now. And I would request someone from my team to confirm this. to us. Okay, so moving ahead, well, what is GDSC? So I would like to know from all of you in the chat box, what do you see right here? So I'm sure if you have started already, as I can see in the polls before, that most of you are jack of all trades and master of all. So let's see. Just tell me, what is this thing? Like, can you tell me, like, what is this object? What it is telling me, right? What is a developer thing? So anyone write in the chat box. Let's see. So I'll make it a little easier for you. This is something relating to coding, but don't worry, I'm not going to teach you coding over here. So you can definitely give wild guesses that you have in your mind. I'm looking forward in chat box. Okay. Add these skills to a developer's toolkit. So Sumir was says that, this is nice. I guess Sumir, you already guessed it right. I really want to hear from others. So what others think about it? What can you derive from this? What are we telling over here? Okay. Well, cool. So I'll go ahead and tell you what is GDSC all about. So GDSC is a university-based community that is spread all over the world, where we have more than 360 plus GDSCs over different colleges, and it is a club handled by Google developers. And it is not something that you can say you are working at Google, but you will be learning about Google developers technology for sure. You'll get to learn about different technologies. You will get to learn about interpersonal skills. You get to learn about how you can solve problems really fast. And a lot of sessions will be organized just for you so that you can grow yourself with Google developers. But don't worry, we have a lot of you in the plate. So this is just the starting. So I guess there's someone else as well. So Ojas writes here, pushing developer to have these skills. Exactly, Ojas. So we are pushing a developer to have these skills. So as a developer, you just don't have to be someone who writes code day in and day out. You can be someone who solves problem in your daily life as well. You can be someone who go and teach other. You can be someone who can motivate others. You can be someone who can make something great out of just a simple thing. So you as a developer can be anyone, like literally anything. So just going ahead, let's see what we have next. So why GDSC? Okay, can anyone in the chat box tell me why GDSC? Why you wanna join GDSC? So I would really want to know that what is the sole motivation that you are here today, and why would you like to join us? Okay, let's see what you come up with. Okay, so Sumir says teamwork and community participation. Definitely, this is what you can expect over here. So teamwork and community participation is something we always keep up at the top. Then Tulika says GDSC has a lot to offer, so why not learn it with the team? Yes, Tulika, we are already here to guide you. We are already here to chit chat with you. We are already here to learn with you and just explore new things. So again, we have Rafi, if I'm pronouncing it right. So I have an inclination towards building stuff than doing problems on coding platforms. That's really nice, Rafi, and I really like it that you like to do development. So nothing is right, nothing is wrong, and it is always good that you explore the field you want to. So we have some other answers as well. I'm really excited. So Sayed says to learn coding skills. Definitely, you learn over here. You will learn a lot of things. And Uzma says learn new skills and to learn teamwork. Yeah, this is something I really appreciate. So Amir says Google's vast global network. Definitely. You will be joining a lot of events where you will be meeting a lot of Google developers, GD experts, Google developer experts, and Google developer group communities who are organizing different events to teach students about web development and cloud technology and whatnot. So helping us in a long-term goals and building a strong foundation. Yeah, to learn something new, to be a part of community that pushes everyone to get better by hard work and skills development. And learning from others' experience. Wow, I really just like the way you have all taken up, and you all are coming up with such wonderful answers. I don't know where this is coming from. Okay, I'm not a Shark Tank fan, to be very honest. Literally don't have any idea where this is coming from. So yeah, why GDSC? You already told that. Why should I go ahead with that now? So you already know why GDSC. What you are getting over here. So let's move ahead and see what we have next. So as a club, we have a mission and a vision. These are four pillars of GDSC that we always promote. So number one, learn in gaining new skills while teaching others as well. Something that you do on the sole basis. It is something that you also gain while teaching others. So we do promote learning. Secondly, connect. We connect with developers around the globe. GDSC provides you a way where you can connect with the fellow developers around 360 plus GDSC, and you can grow your network so that you can learn what you want to and take it ahead. Third, you build. So what do you build? You build great projects to solve local business problems. I'll be coming ahead and telling you that we have really great Google developers flagship promote building great projects. And building projects doesn't only mean that you take participate in hackathons. It also means that you solve the problems that you see in your daily life around yourself. Maybe in the city you are living on, maybe in the or maybe at your home as you can always solve some problem with the help of technology. And GDSC empowers you with the same. The fourth pillar and the most important, grow. We grow together. As it is correctly said, that you can't grow alone. You when you are with a team, you grow more. So we grow together and we achieve together. Well, here is a short video of Developer Student Club's Lead Summit 2019. So I'll just give an overview of what this Lead Summit is. So every year, this GDSC program has a summit for all the GDSC leads around the globe. So all the leads of different clubs from different colleges come together and have this whole summit where they get to learn, meet, and connect with a lot of people. So here I'm playing this for you.
Told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire, we tried, hold on. All the doors we've opened, and all the books we've closed. Words that come together, story that we never told. So I say in for my own. You said just keep on. If you're about to break, oh, I'll always be your captain. For our failures we have grown. You said just keep on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain.
Well, I'm sure that all of you must have enjoyed it. And I'm definitely really want to see your reactions in the chat box, because this is something that you can be there in the next year, in the coming year itself. So GDSC leads application is open during the month of April or March. You can always apply to that and go ahead to take part in the same. Today I'm here, tomorrow you can be there. So I really want to see how you all are excited for the same in the chat box itself. Well, it is great. A faculty advisor with us right now. I would like to call upon Zafaryab sir so that he can say a few words. Um, Sir, we would like to invite you to the panel to say a few words. I think there's some glitch and okay. Okay, I'm not sure. There must be some glitch and okay. Well, so till then it is resolved. I'll go ahead with the theme and take you ahead. Okay. So yeah.
Hi.
Hello, sir. Good
Hello,
evening.
Apu. Sorry, I couldn't hear anything. Is it my turn to speak now?
Yeah, sure, sir. It's your turn to speak.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Apu. And I welcome everyone to this club. So I will very briefly be telling about what is the motivation behind why one should join this GDSC club. So I hope you have pretty much knowledge about that. This is about the Google Developer Students Club. So it is closely associated with the Googles and it is managed by them. And Apoor being one of the leads means he qualified to be one of the leads of the Google. And therefore, their parameters with the help of their own website, their own resources, they are bringing knowledge and technology to you. So it is more like, bridging a gap between the practical knowledge and what theoretical knowledge you have, right? And here in this club, you will be, told about various Google technologies. There will be various jam sessions. I'm quite sure that Apoor and the team will be telling you about them as well and what they have done in the past. So it is a place where you will be learning about new technologies. You will be learning about app developments. You will be learning about web developments and many more things in the course of time. So in short, I can say that this is something that is bridging the gap between what you're learning theoretically and what is the practical thing that's happening around. And it's always a good idea, and rather the best idea, that if you are somehow connected to something that is managed by Google and you have got leads here, so it will be, kind of a stepping stone for the others joining as well to work closely with the current leads, and later on, understanding that what it takes to qualify for a lead in the future, and then taking up these challenges and providing solutions, building technologies, imparting knowledge and all. So this club is really doing a good job, and I would recommend that everyone who joins over here should become a part of it too in the future, and should contribute in the solutions that are posted by the Google community in general, and should also learn about various technologies. And then peer sharing is very important nowadays, because the more you share, the more you learn. And there will be various events that Apur and the team will be telling you about. So this motivation for me if I was a student and such kind of technologies were given to me at our time. But nevertheless, I'm really happy to be a part of it as a faculty advisor. And I wish my team a very, good journey ahead. And I wish you all a very happy learning as well. So over to you, Apur.
Thanks a lot, sir, for your kind words. It really means a lot. And I really want to mention that it wouldn't have been possible to come this much ahead without the help of our faculty advisor, Mr. Zafaryab sir. And as he already mentioned, this is the place where you'll get to learn everything you have to for your development, for your personal development. So I really want to thank again, sir, for joining in and sharing his views on this club. Thanks a lot, sir.
Welcome, Apur.
Okay, so I would like to now move ahead and go ahead and show you what we have for you after our mission and vision. Let's see. So this is an overview of the exclusive campaigns that GDSC offers you over the whole session. So it starts from the lead selection and onboarding. For the last year, it started between July and August 2021. You apply for as a lead, and you go through an interview process. And then if you get selected, you will open the very first, or maybe you will continue the legacy of the GDSC club at your college. So GDSC ZHCET is the second time we have this at a college. Before that, we had this GDSC in 2017. And after that, we have it for the first time now in 2021. So I'm really excited, and I really hope that someone from you, among you, will be joining as a lead in the coming cohort. So between September to October, we have a cloud campaign. So cloud campaign, as I'll tell you ahead, is something where you learn about cloud technology using Google Cloud. Then between October to November, there's another Android campaign, and in December, there's one Flutter campaign. So combining this brings you Android development that Google's offer you through the Android study jams that we will be talking about further. Right now, we are into the phase of Solution Challenge. The Solution Challenge is the biggest flagship event of Google developers, as I have already mentioned. And here you compete with developers around the globe. You get a chance to get mentored by Google developers and present your solution in front of lead in Google. So this is something that is really exciting, that you build your product and you showcase to the best of the world. Then after that, we have another cloud campaign between Feb to March, and another web campaign in April. And finally, in May, we'll be having a machine learning campaign. Yes, we are not saying that you won't learn machine learning over here. So we are definitely learning all sorts of areas and all areas of development. So I'll start with the cloud campaign. So, what is the 30 Days of Google Cloud program? So, 30 Days of Google Cloud will provide you the opportunity to kickstart your journey in Google Cloud technology. So, Google Cloud is the platform where you can host your cloud solutions, you can host your web apps, you can do a lot of stuff, do a lot of things that empowers these platforms such as Google Search, Gmail, YouTube, and I'm sure that you must be knowing that it is the most powerful thing we have. So, but in this 30 days program, you learn about this Google Cloud through quick labs, where you get to do hands-on labs and solve real-time problems through these labs. And finally, once you complete these labs, you get a certificate and you also get swags from Google directly. So I have mentioned this link over here, which take us uh, to the page where we conducted all our events. So I'm just giving you a heads up on the same. So this is the event page that you can see on Jaega College of Engineering Technology GDSC official page, and we have already mentioned what is this event about. This slide will be shared with you later on, and you can always refer to it to understand about these campaigns and what have been done in the past. Every time you have any doubt, you can always mail us. So, moving on to the Android study jams. So, Android study jams are community organized study groups for people to do hands on learning for Android app development. So, Android study jams empowers you to learn development. This time, Kotlin was selected for the same, and there was a lot of things that came up. We were really excited for Android study jams because we had an Android study jam challenge as well. So there were a lot of sessions where people learned about Kotlin, and then there was a challenge where 4 teams participated, out of which 2 teams were selected for the app development. And whatever app they developed, it was submitted to Google developers. So this is the power that you get at GDSC. You can directly showcase what you learn, what you build to the best of the world. So to give you a glimpse, I'll go to this link, and you can also always go to this link and see which kind of sessions were organized. And here are some screenshots for the same. You can always refer to that. Okay, so I would really like to appreciate all the students who took this participation and build these amazing apps. It wasn't something that I was expecting that people will be doing this with great enthusiasm, but I really appreciate that they did. So moving ahead, we have this solution challenge. So before I talk about what solution challenge is, I want you all to see this video and learn about what solution challenge provides you. Well, so since you have already seen the video, I would now like to go ahead and tell what the solution challenge is all about. So solution challenge, as I already told, is organized by Google developers for all the colleges who have a GDSC at their college. So in this solution challenge, you go through this whole timeline that I'll just show you ahead. So it starts from registration that starts in January and have already started right now. So you register for these solution challenge with a team size of 2 to 4. Then you think on some ideas, which are the themes that are based on the 17 topics that UN has proposed for the development of people. So these sustainable development goals by UN are the themes that you will be building projects on. So you can choose any one of the themes and start building a project in the phase 2, that is learn and build phase. So this phase continues till March, where the submission starts somewhere between the mid of March and goes till the end of March. So you submit your solution in the initial phase, and then the results are announced. So after the results are announced, top 50 teams are selected. These top 50 teams that are selected from around the globe are mentored by Google developers. So you get the exclusive mentorship of Google developers to how you can enhance your product. And in this month of May and June, you revamp on that product, make it to the actual working product right from the MVP. And finally, you submit it for the demo day. Now you must be having on top of your mind, like, what is this demo day all about? So there are top 10 solutions announced on the demo day out of these 50 solutions. And there, in this live stream of demo day, you present that in front of the Google developers and the program managers as to how you build that solution, how you came up with that problem, and how do you tested it out. So building a problem is not something that will suffice your work. You should also test it out in the real world. You should go and test it out with your customers, whoever is, and see what they respond with, and improve your product accordingly. Solution challenge is the biggest thing that every year. And since the registration are already open, we have that on our link tree as well. Just go learn more about it, register over there, and see what you can come up with. And I really want to see that you all who are here will be going over there and building something great. So, moving on, now is the time that you will meet the game changers. Now, who are these game changers? So these game changers are none other than the team members, the core team members of GDSC ZHCET, who have made this whole thing possible, who have built this club right from scratch and are continuing giving more to that. So I would like to call one of. So first of all, I would like to call Alvira Khan on the panel. So Alvira, would you like to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hey everyone, am I audible, Apur?
Yes, Alvira, you are audible.
Okay. My name is Alvira Khan, and I am in third year at ZHCET studying computer science engineering. So my areas of interest include web development and web designing, as well as I'm trying my hands at app development. And so besides this, I'm also working as a freelance WordPress developer and a graphic designer. And I'm really glad to be a part of GDSC ZHCT, as together we learn to connect and grow, and we have experienced many great ideas with a great team. So hoping to see you all in the club. Thank you guys. That's all about me. Have a good day.
Thanks a lot, Alvira. And I really appreciate the way you have helped the team to grow and the way you have helped us reach so many students. So kudos to that. So next, I would like to call upon Divyanshu Gupta, who is another core team member. So Divyanshu, would you like to go ahead?
Hello everyone. Am I audible, Abu bro?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. So I am Divyanshu Gupta. I am core team member at GDSC ZHCET, and my expertise, lies in like web development, app development, and Web3 NFTs are going these days. And it's really nice to see your excitement about GDSC, and a lot of you were like putting the questions. You guys are really excited about GDSC. I want to tell a bit about more about me. I joined a GDSC last year, and we didn't only learn the technology stuff here. We make the connections with the developer community, going to be helpful in our next days. So that's all about me. Thank you, guys.
Thanks a lot, Divyanshu. I really appreciate that Divyanshu was one of the members of the team that built the app in the app challenge for the Android Study Jam. And his team came up with a nice app which went to the submission of Google developers. So congratulations for that, Divyanshu. I really appreciate the knack you have to solve problems. So moving to Ifra, I would like to invite Ifra and Leap to our panel. Ifra, would you like to go ahead?
Yeah, hi. Can you guys see me and hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, you're audible and
Okay.
visible.
So, hello everyone. Welcome to the GDSC family. This is Ifran Leeb. I am pursuing my third year electronics from ZHCET. So, yeah, to know like more of me, I am a machine learning enthusiast. I have also tried my hands on front end development and embedded systems as well. Yeah, so the best thing about programming is that it gives you an environment or the platform to just connect with some amazing people like you. We have an amazing team of juniors, seniors, and the peers working along with us. So yeah, that's the best thing about GDSC. You learn with the people around you, building different solutions for different problems. So I hope you guys will be interested to join in within the family. So yeah, thank you. That's all about me.
Thanks a lot for the intro, Ifra. And this is really great. And I would really appreciate that you have been a part of the team. So I would like to next call upon Maz bin Asad for a quick intro. Maz, on to you.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I hope I am audible.
Yeah,
Okay.
you are.
So, yeah, this is Maz bin Asad, and currently I am in third year of my electronics engineering from ZHCET. And as far as my professional experience is concerned, I am working as a software engineering intern in iTribe, which is a startup. And I'm more into backend development and machine learning side of things. And like you are always open to reach out to me for these kind of things. And as far as my participation in GDSC is concerned, I have been a Google Cloud facilitator once, and that event was something that actually gave students the practical experience of labs and Google Cloud and everything. So yeah, I would highly recommend you all to just come forward and join us if you want to gain some experience in these kind of events that Apoor just discussed. And I believe me, like it's a great fun to participating in these for a long term and getting something out of them. So yeah, that was about me. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Maz. Thanks for the nice introduction.
Yeah.
And as Maz already mentioned, he is really talented in machine learning, and so is Ifra. So you can always reach out to them for any doubts in the same. And not only this, you can already reach out to them for other doubts as well. So this is something their area of expertise. So thanks a lot, and I would like call upon Faraz for a quick intro. Faraz, would you like to go ahead?
So, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
So, hi everyone, I'm Faraz, and my specialities basically lie in backend development. And apart from that, I'm an avid competitive programmer, and I've been doing that since the past 2 years now. So, any help you need, algorithms, backend development, competitive programming, you can always reach out to me. And we're looking forward to host certain events in which we'll be helping you build backend systems. We'll be helping you in competitive programming in the coming few months. So it'll be a great opportunity for you to join us. And if you want to enhance your skills in any one of these fields, and of course, as Apoor mentioned, all of these fantastic events that we have lined up for you. So I'm looking forward to working with all of you.
Well, thanks a lot, Faraz, for the amazing introduction. And whatever I say is less about Faraz. He is really talented. And I guess for us, you miss telling that you are a nice musician as well. So you play guitar as well. So you can have a session and help the audience learn that as well.
For sure.
Yeah. Okay. So next, moving on to Sanjana Maheshwari. Sanjana, would you like to go ahead?
Yeah, so hi everyone. My name is Sanjana Maheshwari and I'm in my third year right now. So my interests include like full stack development. I really love everything about web. And a boring fact about me is that I really love core computer science topics. And what else? Like I right now I am extensively exploring the world of Chrome extensions. Yeah, that's pretty much about me. And like you are at a great place. We have great people. I have always grown out of this club. We we always learn technical things, but the team that I have right now, we people are growing in a lot of aspects together. So yeah, it is great to have you all here, and let's hope that we'll get to see you in our one of the next upcoming campaigns. Yeah, that's pretty much all about me. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Sanjana. Thanks for the nice introduction. And yeah, again, we have so many talented peeps, and Sanjana is yet another one. If you want to, come on, meet, and always give her a challenge, up for it, and she definitely proves that she is best at it. So yeah, thanks a lot, Sanjana. And moving ahead to Sneha. Sneha, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi everyone. I am Sneha. Currently I am in second year and I like doing front end development. But recently in Android study jams organized by, so from there I started learning and now I'm interested in that. So doing Android development also. Problem solving skills, and it's great to have you all here. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Sneha, and thank you for your introduction. I would like to mention that Sneha was yet another person besides Divyanshu who won the app challenge, and her team's app were also submitted to the Google developers. So congratulations on that. And the fact that she is still in the second year, it's great that how much you have learned so fast. So I just realized that all of you have introduced yourself, and I really didn't give my introduction. It is so bad at me. So I would really like to go ahead and give my introduction as well. So yeah, I'm Apoorv Goyal, and I'm the GDSC lead of the city, as you all know right now. Other than that, my core interest lies in web development and mostly React and TypeScript. I also do backend development in Python, and I'd really like to work with automation stuff. So I like to automate things, making bots and do crazy stuff with data as well. So currently, I'm an intern at Hacker, and I'm really loving the way this community is giving, and this community is growing. So I really like that you all are here today. So going ahead, I guess, can anyone just tell me in the chat box? I can already see. Okay, so something's going in the chat box. This club is going to become a guitar developer student club soon. Maybe Mars. This is something you can try for sure. Okay, there's one doubt as well from Mohammad Amir Siddiqui. How did we perform last year? Did any solution make it to top 50? So Amir, this club is set up for the first time, as I already mentioned. So GDSC has been set up for the first time in 2021. And before that, we didn't had this club at a college. So this is the first time that we have the teams that are participating in Solution Challenge, and let's see. I really hope that it makes the top 50, and I really believe in them. So yeah, let's see what it goes with. Can anyone in the chat box tell me what is coming next? I really want to know from all of you. I already mentioned that before, that what we are going to tell and what is the whole flow of this whole event. So since we are moving almost towards the end, but yeah, this is not the end. I really want to understand how much you are over here. Okay, it seems like it's a bit dubious for all of you. Hmm? Fine, I'll break that for you. No worries. So here we go. Yes, it's time for an icebreaker event. Yeah, and I'm really sure that you all must be tired by now. You really want some fun activities. And you know what? I've been speaking.
Sorry for the interruption, guys. I think we have some technical glitch. I request you to please stay with us. I'll check into that. Yeah.
You guys can like ask any of your queries if you have some related to any member of the club or any anything that has been done so far.
I'm with you guys.
Apurv can take like 1 to 2 minutes before joining. So till then, like we can go ahead with any of your queries related to GDSC or any of your queries you have with any member of the club, or it can be technical as well or anything. I guess Apurv is here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. I got disconnected somehow.
No issue.
So yeah, I'm back again. And okay, Apurv is gonna get some ice from the icebreaker round. Ifra, okay, well, I'm not going to touch any ice for now. It's already too cold at my end. So I'll push it to Sanjana. Sanjana, would you like to do that for me?
Yeah. So, hi everyone. I am back here again. So, I will be taking you through our icebreaker session, and believe me, it is really funny. And our team has done a lot of effort to bring it to you. So, Apurv, like, do you want to share your screen so that we can move ahead with that? I'll first explain you like what you have to do, and the chat box is open for you to bomb us with your answers. So what we are going to do is we are going to play some audios and you have to guess like who that person is. It would be quite funny because these are some inspirational, funny, and all kind of personalities that we all love. So let's go ahead. Let's go for our first audio and let's see who gets most answers right here. So yeah, let's start.
Well, cool. I guess there's no restriction for anyone, and even the team members can participate in it because I'm sure that I guess no one knows about it. So you have to guess who is talking, and here goes the very first audio.
What are you thinking about? Nothing. You want to know what I'm thinking about? First time you came to me. I didn't exactly come to Krista. I was forced here, but
Okay, I can see Sophia over here. Priyanka
Our
Chopra.
audience is quite smart. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see what they are coming up with. Yes,
Team,
not a right answer.
team, I would love if you can also, put in your answers because most of you don't know. It was our last night.
Yes,
Uh,
for sure.
yeah.
Oh my God. Are we getting some right answer, Sanjana?
Yes, I can see some nice answers. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, who's PC? I don't know who's PC.
It's Priyanka. He is trying to say Priyanka Chopra, but it is not Priyanka Chopra.
Oh,
I think we should announce it because we have got one right answer. So Rafi Ahmed, I think you are right. It's Elliot from the Mr. Robot. So that was our first audio.
oh yeah. So congratulations, Rafi. And I again say that if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, just forgive me. And I would really like to, call any one of you on this, a stage whenever you want to after
Yeah.
we finish this icebreaker. So just hold on and enjoy it. And be more active in this chat box. We want to see more answers. There's nothing wrong. You can give any wild guesses, and from now onwards I'm also going to give that. So okay, let's move ahead.
Yeah.
The show's going to start off with attention, and the thing with attention, it basically set the palette for what my album would sound like. There was one song, and that was it, that created this whole new vibe for me. And I want to keep it as close to how people remember it as possible, but with little changes that they might not even.
Well, I guess was I wrong, Sanjana? Come on, I really want to hear the right answer.
Oh my God. I think we need some good answers, and I'm sure like you have heard this guy before.
Do we have any right answer, Sanjana?
I don't think we have a right answer till now.
Okay. I guess more answers. I'm really waiting for that.
So this is one hint that this is a singer, a very famous one, and he also said the name of the song in this audio. So yeah.
Oh my God. Should I
Yeah.
play the audio again for everyone?
Yeah, please play it again.
Okay,
Oh my God.
sure.
Yeah.
I'll go ahead.
The show's going to start off with attention, and the thing with attention, it basically set the palette for what my album would sound like. There was one song, and that was it, that created this whole new vibe for me. And I want to keep it as close to how people remember it as possible, but with little changes that they might not even.
Okay.
We got the
I
answer.
guess everyone gets it right, right?
Yeah. So the hint was more than enough, guys, I think. Yeah, it is Charlie Puth, and it is from his concert that he played on Honda. So yeah.
Well, who was given the very first answer? So Anant. Well,
Yeah.
nice. So Anant has given it the very first time, and then a lot of people have already given it. So let's move on to the very next thing.
Yeah.
And see what we have. Okay, here I'm going to play the audio.
What you wear or what you eat for breakfast or things like that, they kind of make you tired and consume your energy. And my view is, I'm in this really lucky position where I get to wake up every day and help serve more than 1 billion people.
Okay.
Well,
Let me see. I don't know how many people are a big fan of Jeff here, but sorry guys, Jeff is
don't
wrong.
tell me I'm wrong.
We actually have the right answer already, and I'm sure
Okay.
Rafi has seen this interview. That's why he was able to answer this quick.
Oh,
Yeah, so
wow.
I would like to give a background. So in this video, Mark Zuckerberg was saying that he doesn't likes to decide what clothes he want to wear daily. He just have like a set of gray t-shirts and he just plucks them out. So this is his theory of saving energy. This was very interesting. Yeah.
Okay, this is cool. I guess I really need to be better at understanding peeps and seeing more video. It's kind of a more peer pressure now.
My God, our team is not really answering. What happened, guys? I think Rafi is going to take your positions now here.
Oh my God. Positions are in danger, team. And please don't come to me later on that why I chose Rafi.
Yeah, because
So,
this game was for everyone.
right. Okay. So I'm going ahead with the next audio, and let's see what we have.
मिनट इंजीनियरिंग वो भाई छोटे छोटे वीडियो में पूरी इंजीनियरिंग समझा देता है आपको एग्जाम से पहले मैंने लगाया लेकिन लगाते से मेरे को बुरा लग गया मैंने वीडियो लगाया वो कह रहा है कि
Okay, I guess that was it. So, and any guesses? Oh, I see that no guesses right now.
Oh my God.
Don't have any
So
sense
guys,
of comedy.
I would like to clear this. This was not my choice. So this is pretty hard because Apoor chose this audio.
Okay, fine. So I'll play that again if you want to listen to that.
मिनट इंजीनियरिंग वो भाई छोटे छोटे वीडियो में पूरी इंजीनियरिंग समझा देता है आपको एग्जाम से पहले मैंने लगाया लेकिन लगाते से मेरे को बुरा लग गया मैंने वीडियो लगाया वो कह रहा है कि
Okay, there's one answer, Rahul Dua, but I'm sorry to say that's not the answer. So you can make more guesses, and I'm a little fan of stand-up comedy. So okay, I'll reveal it is Ankush Maheshwari. So this is a video that went viral on Instagram some time ago, and it was around engineering, like how an engineer is during his 4 years and what he all do. So it's kind of interesting. You can go ahead and check it out on YouTube. So moving on to next one. Let's see who all can answer that.
I think I've always been a super private person in my life. I've never really discussed my personal side of things, my feelings through my career. And I think getting married, and in the last 2 or 3 years, I found my feet a lot more as a woman, as a person. I'm not so insecure.
Oh my
I
God.
think you all are right. This is
Yeah.
Priyanka Chopra, and yeah, that's it.
This is awesome. I guess Priyanka Chopra fans are just on top of the world, you know. And still, I guess someone has Rafi. Oh my God. He has
I
his
think
hand.
Rafi deserves something, a big shout out on our page.
Yeah. And I guess everyone now, like, there's so many people who have been telling out Priyanka Chopra. So, wow, this is cool. I didn't expected that. I should have chosen a better, like, kind of a more difficult audio. That was super easy. Okay, moving on to next. Let's see what is this.
बच्चे 2 साल में कोटा से निकल जाते हैं कोटा सालों तक बच्चों से नहीं निकलता क्या करता है कोटा तुमको दुनिया से काट के अलग रख देता है फिर कहाँ किससे शादी हुई आईपीएल किसने जीता ये सब कोई मैटर नहीं करता लाइफ में
Okay.
Apoor, let me take a call here. So, guys,
Yeah.
this is the character name. We are asking for the, we would like to see if you know the real person behind this.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
see.
I think.
Jitendra Kumar. Okay, I'm sure. I mean, like we all have seen. So this Kota Factory was really kind of amazing web series.
Yeah.
Wow. So many answers. She gets it right, I guess.
Yeah,
Jitendra Kumar.
we got right answers.
So who has given the right answer the very first time?
I think it was not Rafe. I was just seeing his name. Okay,
Okay.
this time it is Uzma. Uzma, right?
Okay.
So, but she wrote G22, but I'll consider this as an answer.
Okay. Sure. So well, congratulations on that. So you have our very next audio then. Let's see. What is this about?
I'm really happy for you. And I'm gonna let you finish. But Kanye West has had one of the greatest careers of all time.
Oh my God.
I told you, Apoor, the real fans will recognize this audio from anywhere.
Yeah. this is I was having this chat with I was thinking that who can like recognize this thing, you know? I was feeling like no one is that much fan of Taylor Swift that they are seeing her interview or maybe some auditions. Yeah, and I really I was wrong for sure.
So
Kind
Tarab
of
is
was
right.
perfectly.
This is iconic. Whenever I feel low, I go and watch this audio. I'm like, this is how you come back. This is so
So yeah,
energetic audio. I like it. Yeah. Kanye
definitely.
West was the key. Actually, he started this whole thing, right? So yeah, he was the key.
Okay, this one is great then. Let's move on to the next. Do we have something? Oh, we still have one audio.
First of all, you got to remember, TikTok came to us. We didn't go to TikTok.
Right.
Sort of, I think the way people talk about it is as if I went looking for TikTok. I mean, TikTok was caught in between a lot of issues that they were having across two capitals, and they wanted a partner. And Yiming, whom I'd met a couple of times before, and fundamentally came to us and said, hey, can you be a cloud provider who can help us with these security things that we seem to be hearing about? And that's kind of how it started. But I was pretty intrigued, I must say. It's a great.
Well, I was
Yeah.
wondering that I will get some answers. Come on.
So do you see, like, guys, this is since we don't have any answers in the chat, so this is something that was really into news also. I don't know. Oh my god. Next is, let's see.
Satya
Yeah,
Nadella.
this is an Indian tech dude. I agree with that. So we have a very big hint from Rafe. This is an Indian tech dude. I would say Indian tech god.
Yes, exactly. So do we have the right answer, Sanjana?
Yes, we do have the right answer, and this time it is from our team, so I am proud. It is
Oh
Alvira.
yeah, it's
So,
Elvira.
yeah.
You retain your position, Elvira. Okay. So I guess do we have more audios? I really don't have any idea.
No.
Oh. Okay. So I guess that's it for today. That's all for the fun we had for today. And now I'll just go ahead and show how you can get started with creating a profile, join the chapter. So this will be really short. So what I'm gonna tell you is there are a lot of people who might have RSVP for the event. So what you have to do is the very source of truth that we have right now is Linktree. So here you have all the links. So whenever you have to register for the event, we update that particular link over here on the top. And you always have one more link that is join GDSC ZHCET. So let me make one thing clear that joining a chapter, that is joining our club, is different from registering for for an event. So you when you go to our chapter page, so this is how a chapter page will look like. You will get an option over here to join if you haven't already. So make sure whenever you are registering for the event, you are also joining that chapter as well. So if you haven't joined the chapter, I would recommend you go to Linktree /GDSC ZHCET, click on first tab, join GDSC ZHCET, and then you can simply join a club, and then you will get all the emails regarding the events, and you will also get the post event survey forms as well. You can submit your feedback always. So this was a short intro on the same. And yeah, one more thing that we have this solution challenge. So here you can RSVP for the solution challenge. This is on the official page of the Google developers. So you can form your team, register for this solution challenge over here. Secondly, you can know more about solution challenge by going to this particular link if you are new to solution challenge. We have already created a form. So this form is for the people who are not able to find their team. So we have created this so that you can find your team. What you have to do is just you have to fill this form. Once you fill this form, after the deadline, you will be shared the Excel sheet containing all the responses. From the responses, you can choose the person who matches your skills and your field of interest and contact them via email. So this will help you build your team really faster. So even in the case you don't have a GDSC at your college, so this time the thing is like you can form a team with a person who is not part of GDSC. So suppose you don't have a GDSC at your college, right? So you can partner with a person who has a GDSC at their college. So there must be at least one person who is from the college which have a GDSC. So there's some question from Amir. So sure thing. So there's one more GDSC at AMU named GDSC AMU. Can you tell us more about GDSC AMU and GDSC ZHCET integrated, or are both clubs work independently? Can I become a part of both? Okay. So thanks for shooting up this, Amir. And maybe this could be a confusion for most of the people. This time we have two clubs at the university level. So one is GDSC AMU and one is GDSC ZHCET. So GDSC AMU is handled by the GDSC lead Noor Fatima Di, and GDSC ZHCET is handled by me. You can definitely join both the clubs. You can join any other GDSC. There's no such foundation. And regarding that, can you tell us more about GDSC AMU and GDSC ZHCET? So we work together mostly. That like the Android study jams we organized for the whole month. GDSC AMU and GDSC ZHCET collaborated together. There will be events that GDSC AMU will be organizing separately and GDSC ZHCET will be organizing separately. So you can always go towards both of them. There's no such restriction that you have to attend events of GDSC ZHCET only. You can register for GDSC AMU as well. So if your doubt is clear, I mean, just write in the chat box. So Tarab has one question. Can beginners join the chapter, or do we need to have past experience? Yes, this is for beginners itself. Even if you have just begun to code, and even if you haven't, you are going to begin to code, you can join us, right? So we'll help you to start right from the very scratch. And if you have any doubts, we have our WhatsApp group, we have our mail that is already quite active. So you can always reach out to us. You can always reach out to any of us in the team members as well directly. So this is not a problem. You don't need to have a past experience for sure. For any event, if you would require a past experience, we will be mentioning that for you always. Okay. I hope that answers your question, Tarab. Okay, thanks a lot. So I'll be picking more questions towards the end. And before that, I just want to go ahead. So you can always go here and follow us on Instagram. Do follow us LinkedIn, Twitter, and subscribe on YouTube. This way you can stay updated of what we are coming ahead with. And yeah, so I guess, okay. I don't know when it is going to end for sure, but yeah, this is the end. So we got your last present for today, which is we just launched our website today, and here is what you can see. So it is in the initial phase right now. So you can definitely join us right from from here. You can become a member. I'll share the link in the chat box as well. So yes. So a huge shout out to the team, to our whole team who worked on it, and I really appreciate. So yeah, we'll be soon, enhancing it more so that you can, come here and see what all is going around. So this will be another main source of truth for you. So yeah, this is the very last thing that I had for today, and now I guess it's time to congratulate all of you because you have made it till here, and we believe you had a great time. Now, if you have any doubts, if you want to clear them, I can invite you to the panel. You can come and speak up over here between us, and you can simply ask your question in the chat box as well. So if you would like to come over here and speak in the panel, you can just write in the chat box and I'll add you over here and ask any of the questions you want from the team. And if you want, you can ask in the chat box as well. We are all ears. So you can always ask your questions, and there's nothing that about. So if you want, you can write in the chat box as well. And if not, we can move ahead for sure. Okay, so I guess most of the questions are answered. Oh yeah, we have one question from Rafi, the talented person. So do you guys have any tips on getting started with Android? I already know Java and learning some Kotlin using the Google Code Labs, but Android is so vast I get overwhelmed. Rafi, there's nothing that you can, you can always get started with Android. Since you already know Java, it will be super easy for you to, go ahead with Kotlin as well. But I may not be the right person to answer this because I'm a web development guy. So you can definitely, reach out to us if you want. You can reach out to us via email, and you can also reach out to us on the WhatsApp group. So I'll be sending out a mail to all the participants of this event, and you will getting the email for joining the WhatsApp group. We have people over there who can answer you pretty well on this. So in my team, if anyone wants to take up that, I'm totally okay with that. Okay, so I guess in that case, Rafi, we'll get your question answered, and once you receive the link for the WhatsApp group, you can join it. And the Android facilitator Saloni Garg, who facilitated the whole Android Study Jams program last time, like the last month, she'll help you out with that. Okay. So, any other questions so far? Okay, I guess no more questions. So here we come to the end, and I really want to thank all of you for joining us today. So it was really great to see you all, and a happy picture of our team right for you. Wishing you a very thank you for joining us. So all the best, and please, feel free to reach out to us whenever you want, and join the coming sessions, join the events, talk to the team, reach out to anyone, and learn, build, connect, and grow. So all the very best. Thank you, and have a nice day. Yeah.